Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today, in the series of talking about stock market updates, I will be giving you the overview of US market, what is happening in Dow Jones at present, and further we will be looking into stocks like Zomato and Adani Wilmar. So, before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel as I take out these stock market updates regularly. Now, seeing the Dow Jones index right now, you can see that it is trading minus 89 points from the day high. Now, what is the reason that why the stock slides in the Wall Street is because of the Fed meeting which occurred yesterday only. So it was expected that the Fed rate hikes will stop after seeing the inflation curve coming down in past some weeks. But there has been no guarantees from the Fed side as they are working towards controlling the inflation rapidly. So this is again one of the fear in the investors' mind that there are chances that Fed might increase their interest rate once again for the coming month. Now, seeing the Indian market, you can see that in Indian market there has been roughly flat kind of trading. The today's low was 17,852 for Nifty 50 and the high was 17,968. Again, Nifty ended like slightly in green, but this shows that there is a resistance coming ahead for Nifty at the price range of 18,000 rupees. But once again, I must tell you this that though Nifty traded flat today, but it showed a great strength that you can see that the Nifty fell to the level of 17,850 rupees here, but again it was able to bounce back and it recovered the loss of 100 points in today's trading session, which shows that Nifty is not planning to fall down from this particular price range and it wants to retest the level of 18,000. Now, seeing the FIIs DIS data, you will see that today's FIIs sold roughly 1,706 crore rupees worth of shares. Well, yes, this is one of the concerning factor. Yesterday only I talked about like you should be concerned if if FII started to sell shares in the market, and yes, this is one negative sign which I am going to consider and I might start booking my profits in some of the shares. Definitely, it is not a time to buy and invest in the market. You have to be a little bit cautious as we are heading towards the resistance. If you will see that the Nifty 50 futures SGX Nifty is currently trading negatively and the price ranges of 17,957 rupees. And I'm assuming that if this stays like this for the rest of the night, then Nifty can open up or give a gap down in tomorrow's trading session. Further, let's look at some of the news, and today's biggest news was that Adani Wilmar, IRCTC, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited are among top stocks they might get including into the Nifty Next 50 index. So basically there is like Nifty 50 index and there are Nifty Next 50 index where you put like next 50 large companies in the index. Well, talking about which company you can focus on from these three picks, I will say that you can definitely focus on Adani Wilmar, and this is one stock which we added in our bigness portfolio as well. I would recommend you to follow this stock as it is an FMCG stock, but this stock has been under pressure due to some time because there has been a lot of government regulations coming to reduce the price of oil, like edible oils as well, so which can hamper the profit of the company in coming quarter. But definitely this is a great price, or like this is a great stock to invest in, and we have added this particular stock at a level of 620 rupees in our bigness portfolio. So you can see that this is the chart of the Adani Wilmar, and I have drawn three lines here. Basically, the first support for this particular stock right now, it is trading at 731 rupees, but the first support is in the near level of 750 rupees. Well, yes, if you get this stock at the price level of 650 rupees, sorry, if you get this stock at the price level of 650 rupees, then definitely you can think about buying this stock or entering this stock for a long-term perspective. Yes. Further, if you will see that currently I have drawn a chart here with let me zoom in for you. you can see that there is a rounding bottom pattern formed for Adani Wilmar, and it was continuously falling from the level of 720 rupees. But today it has given the breakout and crossed the level of 720 rupees, which is a good sign for the company. And from here on, I can see another up move coming in this particular stock to the level of 800 rupees in coming months. There might be chances that the stock might correct with the market and can fall back to the level of 650 or 700 rupees. But I will suggest you to accumulate this stock, and I will be doing same if I get a chance to re-enter the Adani Wilmar stock. The next news was related to Jio. Jio gained 4.2 million new users in June, and Airtel added 0.79 million users in the month of June. Basically, like, this shows that the people are more reliable on Jio at present for taking their connections, and Jio is doing exceptionally well. So definitely you can look after the Reliance stock, and the next comes Airtel, because they are also into telecommunication. It's the next big company, and Airtel as well. Now there is another company, Vodafone Idea, in this particular sector, but you should not look at the Vodafone Idea, as you can see here that they are losing its customer base, and they are getting added, and their customers are getting added into Jio or Airtel servers. The last news for the today was, which I want to cover, was of Zomato, as Zomato-backed Shiprocket raises $33.5 million and becomes India's 106th unicorn. Well, it's a big thing, and it's a great thing for the Zomato. Also, as you know, that Zomato has been trying to acquire a lot of businesses, and they're trying to rebuild themselves, not only associated with the food, and they have changed their company name to the Eternal, and they will be having 4 different CEOs for the 4 different branches of the company. Well, I believe that Zomato is working towards the positive sides, and they are planning to expand themselves in future. And I believe that yes, Zomato stock is one stock which can give you a good or create a massive wealth for you in future. As I have already created video on Zomato, it's been, I guess, 3 weeks. I made a video before August. I guess on the 1st August I made the video, and you can see currently where the Zomato share price is. I bought the share at 46 rupees, and if you will see that from 46 rupees, it has already given the returns of 42 to 44% in just matter of 18 days. So I believe that you should definitely look into stocks, and right now it is not a time to invest in the market. It is better to stick to the stocks rather than sticking to the indexes. Yes, there are chances that I see that stock market can correct from these level to little bit of 17,800 to 17,600 in coming days, and further go up, giving rallies. One sector which I am really bullish is on is of IT sector, the tech industry. Yes, I believe that they have not been doing really great in last couple of months, and there can be a massive turnaround for the tech stocks in the coming future. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. These were some key updates in the market which happened today, and which can even plan the last trading session of the week, which is tomorrow. And if Nifty will be able to sustain the level of 18,000, then we are definitely in a bull run, and we are going to make a new 52-week high as well. For the time being, be cautious and stay invested in the market. Thank you.